Hello, 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 garden friends. Hey, so it's been too long, y'all. Season's greetings to you. I hope you are doing wonderful this holiday season. Oh my gosh, so it's only what, two more weeks, 13 days, something like that. Inhale, exhale. Okay, so let's get right to it because I know you are busy. Now, this video is a little bit different, okay, and that's fine. So I just wanted to share with you my wonderful anniversary gift, okay? And this is not sponsored. Maybe it should be, but it's not sponsored. So my wonderful husband, he gifted me this set, or I should say these sets. And I'm so excited. So actually, quick backstory. Several years ago, he was the first one that ever gifted me Loccitane, which is such a great product. Wonderful product. And can we just check out this vibrant, exciting yellow? So I will say, yellow is my second favorite color. It's so happy and cheery. And look, while we are dealing with the doldrums of winter, okay, shout out to all of us that living in cold regions. Yeah. But anyway, don't let me get off track now. So starting right off, I will say that these items were shipped to my home. Now, this is a beautiful gift set. It says Invigorating Trio Verbena. So I'm a girly. I absolutely love anything citrus. Okay, lemon, orange, you know what I mean. So anyway, I love the verbena. And recently we were in Boston a couple of months ago, and I decided to pop in the Loccitane, and we were together, and so I was, just kind of milling around and smelling stuff, and I was really excited about the verbena, but I was going back and forth between that one and the lemon verbena. So anywho, all right, so this is a trio verbena. So you get this cute postcard that says, loving your gift, send a review, and maybe enter to win a $500 gift card. Ooh, okay. I need to do that. So we have the tissue paper. Let's see. So here is the trio. And what comes with it is, of course, the lotion. Oh, and let me just say, the other thing that I absolutely love about Loccitane is that on all of the packaging, they actually put Braille on all the packaging.